Hi guys, before we begin looking at houses together, I always like to walk through the buyer representation agreement so that you have an understanding of what that means for you. At the Council Real Estate Group, we feel that real estate should feel elevated, transparent, and deeply collaborative. This agreement simply formalizes the relationship between our team and you, so we can represent your best interests through the buying process. What this means is that we are working for you. We're advising you on pricing strategies, comparable homes, negotiations, contracts, inspections, off-market opportunities, design potential, resale value, and everything in between. Our role is to protect your investment while helping you make smart and aligned decisions for your lifestyle and long-term goals. A lot of buyers don't realize that the listing agent actually represents the sellers. Their job is to protect the seller's interests. This contract allows us to exclusively represent yours. One thing that I love about our team approach is that you're not just getting one realtor, you're getting the collective expertise of our team. Holly brings decades of negotiation skills to the table. Albina has a sharp financial and operational mind and sees details that others miss. And I bring the design, marketing, and vision side, helping clients not only evaluate what the home is worth today, but what it could be worth. Together, we guide our clients through one of the biggest financial and emotional decisions of their life with clarity, professionalism, and care. This agreement also outlines compensation. In many cases, the seller offers the compensation to the buyer's agent. But with recent industry changes, compensation is no longer standardized or guaranteed. What this agreement does is it creates transparency from the get-go, so there's no surprises later. Before we even show you a property, we'll always discuss how compensation is being handled for this particular home, so you can make informed decisions all the way through. The agreement also defines the timeline that we are set to be working together. Our intention is never to create pressure. It's simply to create commitment, alignment, and a professional working relationship where we can fully invest our time, resources, expertise into helping you succeed. At the end of the day, this relationship is truly about trust. We want you to feel like you have advocates in your corner, people who are strategic, connected, experienced, and genuinely invested in helping you find that right home for you and your family. Whether we're helping you purchase your first home, a luxury property, an investment opportunity, or your forever home in Eanes, Westlake, or the greater Austin area, our goal is always the same: to help you buy wisely, negotiate strongly, and feel completely supported through the process. If you have any questions at all as we go through this representation agreement, you just let us know. We want this process to feel clear, clean, comfortable, and collaborative from the very beginning.